Let's start with the most obvious question. Just what is a router? Well, first of all, it's a box with a bunch of ports on it, and from the outside, it could easily be confused with a bridge. Bridges and routers do look a lot alike, but what differentiates a bridge from a router is not what it looks like on the outside, but what it does on the inside. The two boxes handle data traffic differently. One of the router's advantages is its ability to control broadcast traffic. Broadcast traffic is any traffic that doesn't know exactly where it's going. In a bridge network, broadcast traffic floods everywhere. However, a router isolates broadcasts. What this means is that only traffic that knows where it's going can cross a router. This isolation prevents the whole network from getting filled up with broadcasts. The next advantage associated with a router is path selection. Routers assist traffic in finding the quickest path through the network by building tables. These tables list where all the networks and subnetworks are located, along with the best way to get there. As each packet reaches a router, the router instructs it where to go next. The final advantage about routers that we're going to discuss today is flexibility. And this is just a fancy way to say you can configure a router to support any protocol or any network topology. Because of these three advantages of routers, control, path selection, and flexibility, a routed network can essentially be unlimited in size. Now this is important because the Internet is a routed network and it gets bigger by the minute. Oh, there's one more thing you should understand about routers. All OSI devices support the functions of their own layer plus all the functionality in lower layers. This means that a bridge can also act as a repeater, and a router can also bridge and repeat as required by the traffic received. Now this is very important because a router can be configured to route some protocols and bridge others. Oh, and that brings up another important point. Routers must be configured. They are not plug and play like repeaters or bridges. Both of these devices just need to be plugged in and they will immediately start to forward traffic. A router, on the other hand, is just a very big, very expensive paperweight until someone tells it exactly what to do. Once again, the router has more intelligence than other devices, but it must be configured completely before it will operate correctly. This means that a router has a cost of ownership as well as a purchase cost. The cost of ownership is based on the individual hired to configure and manage it.